Moving on, we have our Miscellaneous tab, which allows us to include CSS Overrides, where we can insert our own custom CSS overrides. CSS entered into this area will overwrite the default defined inside the style.css. This is useful when updating, so your CSS changes are not overwritten when updating the main parent template files. We recommend you use CSS overrides when making any CSS changes, or if preferred, use the child theme that is also included with your download. Next, we have the ability to include code inside your header. So if you have scripts or additional code that needs to be inside the head, we can put it right here. Next, we have a 404 air page header where we can customize what's going to be shown as our header title. We also have the ability to customize the air page message. As well, we have the ability to insert our Google Analytics ID, which is explained on the side. Insert your Google ID from Google Analytics. This is also known as a property ID in Google Analytics. Should look similar to, and then we've given an example right here that you can use. Make sure that you log in and get your own property ID instead of reusing the one that's here. Next, we have the ability to enable or disable right clicks. By default, right clicking is disabled. So if you're wanting to inspect your code and realize that you can't right click, you would come here to disable this. Next, we have our small footer copyright. It does by default say 2010 to 2015 KingSize theme. You can change this to say whatever you would like as your own copyright footer. Remember, after changing all your settings, to save all changes. And if you have any questions or concerns, visit our support forums at rwebmedia.com/support.